Let's go. That's my babies. Come on. Come on. Holding up the train, as usual. Somebody's always holding up the train. Come on. There you go. Go, babies. Come on. As you can see, we've had a lot of water lately. A lot of rain. Yard will probably be filled up here in a couple days. Summertime is always so busy for us, keeping up with mosquitoes and snakes and alligators and fire ants. And anytime it rains like this, we get rain, you know, where the yard starts to pool up like this, all the critters come out of nowhere. Does not make things easy when you're trying to keep your cats safe and you got all these animals that want to come to higher ground. They always stay busy, that's for sure. Come on, Mary.